Alright, I just picked up a new charger for my Tesla. While waiting for it, I ordered this one off of eBay. This is the corded model, the one that's have the built-in NEMA 1450. I'm gonna have my plug outside, so I think this one will be something more weather resistant because I don't have to deal with the adapter. So if I would have ordered this off of Tesla, it's $520 plus tax, so for maybe like $562. But I got it off of eBay for like 300 and I like to say 350, 380. I forgot what I bid for it. But I already tested, but I just want to quickly show you how it came in the package. Here you go. It's integrated, so it's more water resistant. It's much smaller than I thought. But this one I'm gonna leave plugged in at all time. And I went with this model because where I have it, I didn't plan to install the wall connector. Even though if I did that, I'd probably get a better charge. The one that came with the car is rated for 32 amp, so I can max at 30 miles per hour. With this one, I can charge up to 40 amps, so I can get up to 37 miles per hour. So 7 more miles than the one that came with the car. I plan to leave that one in the car. I just want to quickly show you the corded version. Oh yeah, let me show you the bag. I have a second compartment. Let me show you the serial or code or whatever that is. I'm not quite sure what these are for. I'm not going to use this carrying bag, so I'm going to leave mine plugged in, but it's fairly easy to put it in. There you go.